Welcome to lesson 4. Today you're going to combine your information. So you're going to connect and organize your information from your multiple sources. To avoid plagiarism, you're putting it in your own words and you're citing your sources. This all deals with ethical behavior. So you should have notes from brands we know. Epic on a topic you wanted. I chose Coca-Cola. You could have chosen any company you wanted. I took notes, putting things in my own words, just writing down the who, what, when, where, why, and briefly stated. Of course, this example was from the one we did as a class as Amazon, so you just bullet point. Then you had to open up WorldBook off a class link and use an article from WorldBook on your company. Again, this is Coca-Cola. So here's the title of my article, Coca-Cola Company. This is the website I used, WorldBook Student. Here's the URL to write down your URL. Also at the bottom, you often can find how this article is cited and the author. So in this case, the author, let's see if they wrote one. They did not have an author written, which sometimes happens because lots of people write articles for the encyclopedia, but today is the date I'm accessing. So make sure you write down on your citation paper all that information. And here's our example from the other day when we used Amazon off a WorldBook. So you took notes yesterday on using two sources, Epic Book and WorldBook, and today you're going to, on your own, combine it into your paragraph. Of course, the first thing you want to do is start with a hook. If you forgot how to do it, we've been practicing it this week. Here's some examples. On here, you can click on to review how to start off with a hook. I like to start off with a quotations from the company itself, from the CEO is always a good one. And then, of course, at the end, after I combined my information into one paragraph using my own words, starting with a hook, I cited my sources. You are becoming ethically behaved individuals. This is not easy. So to avoid plagiarism, you want to cite your source, take bullet point notes when you're doing research, combine your research information from multiple sources into one paragraph. Remember, you want to avoid stealing somebody's idea or complete sentences. When you're done putting it in your own paragraph, you're going to read it out loud to an elbow partner. That will help you clean up any grammatical errors that you may have made as you were writing. And it's a good practice to read out loud your paper as an editing tool. And then the proctor is going to ask for volunteers to read a few out loud to learn about different companies.